Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Tata Hexa? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Tata Hexa protects essential engine-related electrical systems like the ECU, cooling fan, fuel pump, and headlights from overloads. It ensures efficient power distribution and prevents electrical failures in critical components. Battery-mounted fuse box. The battery-mounted fuse box in the Tata Hexa safeguards high-power circuits like the alternator, starter motor, and main power supply, ensuring reliable electrical distribution. Cabin compartment fuse box. The cabin compartment fuse box in the Tata Hexa protects and manages electrical circuits for interior features like power windows, infotainment, and cabin lighting. It is designed for easy access and ensures smooth operation of in-cabin electrical systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.